So in this lesson, members, we are going to see pyrovectors and perpendicular vectors. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Now from here, I'm going to give you pyrovectors and perpendicular vectors. Now, there are two conditions for vectors to be pyro. Now, the first one is, if A and B are pyrovectors, then this one means that you can express them one as scalar multiple of the other. So that it means that I can either express A as scalar multiple of B or B as scalar multiple of A. Or the other one is, if two vectors are paired, it means that their cross product is always a 0. So these ones are very crucial. These are the conditions for two vectors to be paired. Now the other one is perpendicular vectors. If two vectors are perpendicular, it means that when you note them, their dot product is 0. Why is it 0? Because we know that if they are perpendicular, the angle between them is going to be 90. And we say if the formula for getting the angle between two vectors is here. So by this, the angle is 90 and the cos of 90 is 0. So 0 times this, we get 0. That's why when we get two perpendicular vectors, their dot product is 0. Now, show that A and B are parallel. I need now to express one as a scalar multiple of the other. So when you look at this, you start. If I start with my B, you start my B is 4, 6, 2. And you see that this B, so there's something always common to both. I mean all of them. So start when I factorize out a 2, here I made with a 2, here with a 3, I made with a 1. And you see that now my B will be equal to 2 into 3. I mean 2, 3, 1. But you see 2, 3, 1 is our A. So from here I start our B is equal to 2. My B is equal to 2. The whole of this vector is here as A. So now we start members, I can express now B as a scalar multiple of A. So it means that now, therefore, A and B are parallel. I see faster. So that's how we show that two vectors are parallel. Oh, the other way is to cross them. I told you that now, if two vectors are parallel, it means that their cross product should be a 0. I told you the easiest way of crossing. I told you get your A, which is 3, 2, your A is 2, 3, 1, then cross B, which is 4, 6, 2. To cross them, I told you, when you cover I, is that I is in the first row. So when I cover I here, you see what I'm remaining with. I'm remaining with this times this, then I get the determinant. So 6 times, 3 times 2, that's 6, minus this times this is 6. Then minus J. If J is starting with the negative, then I cover this. So when I cover this, I have now 2 times 2, you see 2 times 2 there. 2 times 2, I get 4. Then minus this times this, which is also 4. Then plus K into, now K is that it's the third. It's always in the third row. I cover it. So I have 2 times 6, which is 12, minus 4 times 3, which is also 12. So now, here we get I, which is 0, minus J into 0, then minus plus K into 0. So that's that we get a 0 vector. So when you cross two pyrovectors, their cross product is 0. Now this understand that show that A that and B that are perpendicular. So if two vectors are said to be perpendicular, if their dot product is 0. So all you need to show is what happens if I dot them. When you dot them, you just pick out 3 to negative 1. Then dot. Now this time we are dotting 1, 4, 11. Let us note and see. 3 times 1, you get 3. Plus 2 times 8, times 4, you get 8. Then plus 11 times negative 1, which is negative 11. So we add this and this, you get 11. Then minus 11, which is 0. So now, because the dot product is 0, means that now A and B are perpendicular. So don't confuse vectors. If you cross them and get 0, they are parallel. But if you dot two vectors and you get the 0, they are perpendicular. Now another question here is saying, if P is this and Q is this are perpendicular, find the values of k. So do that. They are perpendicular if when I dot q, I should get 0. I put my p is 3, k 1. I want to get the values of k if these two vectors are perpendicular. So I know they are perpendicular if their dot product is 0. So this times this you get negative 15. This times you get k squared. Then plus 1 times this you get 2k equals 0. Arranging it properly so that I have now k squared plus 2k minus 15, which is the quadratic equation, so that I can factorize it into k plus 5 into k minus 3 equaling 0. So that when I expand this, I go back here. So either my k or my k is a 3. So you see, those are the values of k if these two vectors are perpendicular. So remember, you try, when you put here any value of k, you try to decide if you don't, you get a 0. If you put this one, you try to see, can I get and get 0? Or will I put k this one by one? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I wish you the best.